if you have a GenServer and it's running, and you might want to find out what the internal state of that GenServer is. You could add a callback to it that said, get state, but that's kind of making your abstraction more leaky than you have to. That's actually not necessary. So what you could use, there are a couple ways you can do this. First of all, there's a function sys_get_state. You just pass the process ID or the name of the GenServer, and it will retrieve the state for you. Easy peasy. This is useful for all sorts of management features, for monitoring this GenServer and things like that. You can also use the observer module, which is wonderful in that you can actually spy on your GenServers and see the states. You can send the messages. You do all sorts of things with them. I'll do a separate observer video later. But the idea is, it is eminently possible to find out what the internal state of your GenServer is without writing any special code to do that. This is really handy when you want to, say, test what is happening in your GenServer and if the state is somehow evolving in a way that you don't expect. Also, if you're writing tests on a GenServer, you don't actually have to write functions to get the state. You can just use this code and it will pull it automatically, which is kind of nice. Anyway, I hope that is helpful to you. If it is, please leave a comment or a question down below, and like and subscribe. And if you'd like help getting your company started with Erlang or Elixir, I do training courses and would be glad to bring them to your company.